Welcome to the Seller Roundtable e-commerce coaching and business strategies with Andy Arnott and Amy Wees.
I'm gonna put him on the spot here. So first of all, Stephen, yeah, thank you so much for coming on. We definitely need to have you back. I feel like we only scratched the surface with some of the stuff that you and Amy do. I know that the in-person negotiation, the manufacturer negotiation, things like that. It's not my strong suit. That's why I hired somebody in China to do it for me. But I know that there's
we can put a plug in for the book. You can pick up the Canton Fair workbook, and has all the questions right in here.
There you go. All right, perfect. On that note, just give me, say I'm emailing or WeChatting or whatever with a Chinese manufacturer. A couple of things. One, how do I know? How can I tell fairly quickly? Number one, that they're a manufacturer, and number two, how I can get the best deal from them.
Okay, so the first one, are they a manufacturer or are they a trading company? I'm going to take a step backwards on that and just point out that sometimes a trading company is who you want to be dealing with. Particularly if you're new, you can learn a lot from a trading company. The first time I did textiles, I learned so much from my trading company, and they usually have someone on staff who speaks better English. However, they are a middleman and they are looking to make money. So your prices are going to be a little bit higher. And if you're in a particularly price sensitive market, you want to try dealing with the factory. So then the question is, how do you tell the difference? And that's like the old, the riddles. How do you tell if somebody's lying or not if they say they're telling you the truth? Good trading companies will tell you they are a trading company. Good factories will tell you they are a factory. Bad trading companies will also say they are a factory. There are some real practical ways of finding out. One is doing an audit. If you have a inspection company that you trust, they can go and literally audit and make sure that they are a factory, as well as making sure they have ISO 9001 certifications and so on. Another is if you have a trusted sourcing agent, they can visit the factory and do the same thing. And of course, it's very simple for you yourself to go visit the factory. It's not, certainly from the US, it's not expensive. And lastly, if you can't do any of those, here's a trick that might work. When you're talking to the factory rep, talk to them on WeChat. It is the most ubiquitous communication platform in China. It also has the ability to do live video. So ask them while you're talking to them, middle of the night, our time, daytime, their time, to walk through the factory and show you the factory on their live video. And
that's so basic, but honestly, I would have never thought of that, Stephen. That is an excellent pro tip. Thank you for that.
Yeah, that helps a lot.
Thanks for tuning in. Join us every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for live Q&A and bonus content after the recording at SellerRoundtable.com. Sponsored by the ultimate software tool for Amazon sales and growth, SellerSEO.com and AmazingAtHome.com.